Canva is a great addition to your classroom, and you can assign work right from here. To get started, you can look under the Design Spotlight to see all of the things that Canva can offer for you. Choose any of these to start working with the template. In addition, on the top tabs, there's a whole section for education. This gives you information on your schools and how to collaborate with students, working with designs to enhance your classroom learning, even looking at free resources and case studies to help you out. On the left-hand side, we have all of our main tabs, such as projects we're working on or templates we want to check out. If you go under templates and scroll down, you can see that there are recommended templates and specific templates for each subject that you want to teach. So if you're looking for a place to get started, here's a great resource. Also on the left-hand side at the bottom, you'll see classwork. This is where you'll go to see all the work that your students have turned in that needs graded or approved, and you can cycle between activities or assign activities here. We can also create a new design by choosing Create New, and you'll see down here you have lesson plans, worksheets, or educational infographics. We're going to use the infographic as our example here. Once I've created an infographic from a template, here I can edit anything that I would like, or I can add a new page. And I can also zoom in to make it easier for me to work on specific sections. Once I have everything set as I would like my students to have it, and everything is edited the way I would like, I can then share this out as an assignment. So let's finalize our project and move on to sharing. So now I want to share this out to my class. So I want to choose the share button in the top right-hand corner. And now under the collaboration link, you can see my classes listed as an option of who I'd like to collaborate this with. So I want to set my permissions and set the access that each person would have to this particular project. Once you've set your permissions, you have some options at the bottom. You can create an assignment and share this either through our learning management system or through Canva itself. You can give just the instructions or a new assignment for each student. And you can copy the link to share out. This is also where you'll find the download button, where you can share your project to social media or you can print your design. Under the download option, it'll give you a suggestion of what type of file type it thinks you should download this as, but you can change that depending on what you want to do with this particular project. Once you have all of your file types set, simply choose download, and you'll be given a progress bar here at the top that shows you the download, and your project will download right to your computer.